Hello friends, I am here with a new video. As you people can see on your screen, this is the Hikvision Embedded NVR DS7600 series. This is a POE 4K NVR. Why I am calling this NVR a POE 4K, I will let you know after. This NVR is having a various functionalities and various features. As you people can see here, this gives us a high definition video. As well as the most important feature of this NVR, if you don't have an Hikvision IP camera, you can use any other brand IP camera and can combine that camera onto this NVR, because as it is mentioned here on the box, it can support the camera which is related to the third party, as well as it gives us the HDMI or the VGA HD output ports that you can connect to a normal monitor screen, or if you have an LCD or an LED screen with the HDMI input port, you can use this NVR. Here into this, the network interface card is a gigabit, that it can transfer and handle the traffic on a very high level of transfer rate. Here you can get a live view from your phone by configuring the various settings in your mobile. This is having a very good graphic user interface and very easy to handle it. This brand Hikvision is widely used throughout the world, as well as the Hik Connect app P2P function, which is very easy to install on your Android or your Apple iPhone, so that you can get a live view on your mobile from your location. So guys, you can see this box of the Hikvision Embedded NVR here in front. So today we will do the unboxing of this NVR. So let's start. But before starting, I would like to tell you people, don't forget to subscribe my channel, do share my videos, do like my videos, as well as share your comments with us. Let's begin the unboxing of the Hikvision Embedded NVR DS7600 series. Here it is. We'll just open the front pack, and here inside you can see the NVR is just there. There is a instruction manual, something is there inside. We'll just see to it what is that. You people can see here, this is the instruction manual as well as the driver CD. We'll just keep it aside. There is another box inside, you people can see. We'll just remove it and we will try to see what is there inside. But before that, let's bring out the main hero of the video, which is our Hikvision NVR. So guys, I have removed the NVR from the box, and there is another box inside. This we will see after what is there inside to it. Now there is nothing left inside. Now the box is empty. There is a silicone balls which is widely used to reduce the moisture inside the packaging. So we'll just keep it aside, this Hikvision Embedded NVR box. Let's see what we get from Hikvision brand. As I already told you people in my other videos, that Hikvision is really giving us a very good packaging, so that there is very less chance for any physical damage. So this is the, you can see here. I'll just remove the side covering. And I'll just remove the plastic case, and let's see the main hero of the show. This is the NVR from Hikvision brand DS7600 series. Here it is. The front, you will see a silver shining branding of Hikvision. The side, this is the back side. Here the back side you get a various things. This is the ventilation, heat ventilation fan. This is the on off switch. This is the power supply input. You can input the power supply, which varies from AC 100 volts to 240 volts. This is a gigabit, an IC which is used for transferring and getting input videos from the various cameras. This is the USB type 3.0, which is the fast USB. This is the HDMI output port. This is the VGA port for our output over the screen. If you have audio mic installed at your location, so you can just make audio in by using this red color RC input, as well as with the help of this white RC output you can make the audio out. And this is the reason I told you before in the beginning why I call this NVR a POE 4K NVR, because you can see this section, it is quite look like a POE switch, because now with the embedded series of the 7600 Hikvision NVR, now Hikvision is adding this POE section. With the help of this, you don't need to buy any extra POE switch from externally. This POE supply output you can get from this NVR, and you can directly connect your POE cameras with this NVR without need or without adding any power supply. So this is the main feature of this embedded 7600 series NVR. So here it is in front of you guys. This is the NVR, and let's see what others we got. This is the instruction manual which we get. This is the driver CD. Let's keep it aside. This is very normal thing. And let's see what we got in this box. Let's take a look out to it. We have got a lot of things in this box. Let's see what's the first thing. This is the power input cord through which we can input the power supply that can vary from 100 volts to 240 volts input. Let's keep it aside. This is a wired normal typical mouse, which is a USB mouse, which is given to us from Hikvision. Here is one piece, and this is the Cat5, a normal cable which we can use by connecting our NVR with our laptop in order to configure it and to activate our NVR. Let's keep it aside. Here, the most important part, this is the hard disk power supply cord. From the NVR panel board, we can connect this part onto the NVR panel power supply board, and these two ports we can connect to our hard disk. Why they have provided us two? Because this embedded NVR 7600 series, it provides us to install two units of hard disk in a single NVR. Otherwise, if you look at the previous models of the Hikvision NVR, which were usually in a black color, complete in a black color, they only provides us a single port to install the hard disk. If you want to have a storage of 4 terabyte or 8 terabyte, you will have to install a single hard disk. But here in this, if we initially install a 4 terabyte, and for the further requirement, if you want to increase the size of the storage, then you just need to add another hard disk, which may be a 4 terabyte. So 4 plus and 4 plus, which we add after, so it becomes 8 terabyte after. So here in this series, you can add 2 units of hard disk in a single NVR. So this power cord is very helpful for that purpose. So let's keep it aside. What else we get? As I said, we can add 2 hard disks. So Hikvision is providing us the 2 pieces of power data SATA cable, which we can use for connecting our hard disk with the NVR internally, as well as the screws that we use to install our hard disk inside the NVR. So we have got a lot of things from the Hikvision. So let's take a look what are the total things which we got from Hikvision NVR brand. Guys, in front of you, you people can see we have got totally 8 different units here in this box from the Hikvision brand. The first thing is the main star of the video, that is our 4K NVR embedded DS 7600 series. Another thing is the power supply cord This one is the Cat 5 patch cord, hard disk installation screws, hard disk power supply cord, 2 pieces SATA cable for installing the hard disk, as well as a mouse. So this was the unboxing of the 4K embedded NVR Hikvision DS7600 series. Guys, if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, share my videos, as well as keep your support with us by subscribing our channel. Thank you for watching my videos. We will be back again by having a new video for your service. Thank you.